Hello guys, today we will discuss about symbiotic plants. So what is the meaning of symbiotic plants? Let's see. So first definition, a situation in which two dissimilar organisms live together in a close association for a mutual benefit is called as symbiosis. That means कि अलग अलग टाइप्स के दो प्लांट सर्वाइव करने के लिए एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड रहते हैं, राइट और इन दोनों के बीच में कुछ रिलेशन होता है. दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड एज दिस रिलेशन इज कॉल्ड एज symbiosis and these types of the plants are called as symbiotic plant. So as for example, if we discuss, so first one is lichen and second one is algae. So this is symbiotic plant, right? And if we discuss about the lichen, this is lichen and fungi. So actually what happens, lichen and fungi exchange their food, right, for the survival. Now second one is fungi obtain carbohydrates from the algae. Actually algae have green pigment, chlorophyll, right, so it can manufacture their food easily. So algae gives carbohydrate to fungi, and in a certain condition, in harsh condition, this fungi will helpful to the algae, right? That means कि it will be helpful in a certain and harsh condition. That means कि there is relationship between this fungi and algae. Now let's discuss second one. Now guys, we have another one example of symbiosis. It is in leguminous plant or pea plant, such as pea plant and leguminous plant is called as, right? Actually what happens in the pea plant or bean plant, there is one bacteria, it is called as rhizobium bacteria. So this is rhizobium bacteria, and this rhizobium bacteria is called as the nitrogen fixing bacteria. Why it is called as nitrogen fixing bacteria? Because in the root it absorbs nitrogen present in the air and it makes compound of nitrogen like ammonia. That means कि it is called as NH3, right, and it is fixed in the root. So these types of the plants are called as rhizobium bacteria. That means it is called as nitrogen fixing bacteria, right? In this way the symbiosis plant store the nitrogen inside the soil. Okay guys, our next topic is how nutrients are replenished in the soil. So guys, have you seen so many times that the farmers are used to plug their field and they are used to add manure in the soil? Reason is that every year farmers are used to get crop from the soil. So what happens in the soil? There will be lack of nutrition, right? So farmers add few manure in it, right, and mix in the soil. So after the using this nitrogen, actually plant grows na, so it need more and more nitrogen, right? So how plant gets this nitrogen? So every year farmers, what are they doing? They are just changing the crops. Suppose कि this year farmers have grown the cotton plant, that means कि cotton field, and the next year what they will do? They will grow the mung bean plant. Reason is that कि in the mung bean plant, in the root there are bacteria which is called as the rhizobium bacteria, right? So this rhizobium bacteria absorbs the nitrogen present in the air and it fixes in the soil in the compound, in the form of compound of nitrogen like nitrogen dioxide, like ammonia, right? So in this way it replenishes the nitrogen inside the soil. In this way again this nitrogen will be absorbed by the root of the plant and plant can survive and plant can grow. That's why this is called as the replenished of nitrogen in the soil. So there are symbiotic relationship between the plants and bacteria, because bacteria need to survive on the plant. So in place, that means कि now what the bacteria will do, they will survive, and in place In opposite, they will absorb nitrogen and fixing the soil, and this way they have fixed relationship between the plant and bacteria, right? This is called a symbiotic relationship. So by this way, there will be nitrogen inside the soil will be replenished, and this is helpful for the atmosphere. This is a recycling process of nitrogen in our eco cycle, right?